Hi guys, welcome to the second cup videos for March 2025. It's my birthday month, you guys, and I'm not using my mic. That's interesting. We'll see how this works out. So just thought I would come on here daily between, now and the 17th of March. Almost forgot my birthday. Yes, I'm a St. Patty's Day baby, guys. Yep, 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 yep. So yeah, I just wanted to do a daily vlog, like a little diary, I guess you could say, of what's happening every day now until my birthday. And we'll see how I like it because I know you guys all do your um vlogmases and stuff like that. And I really, do enjoy watching them, but I've never actually tried to do a daily vlog, and this is my second cup of the day. So let's get started with some kind of a little vloggy thing, or just a little chat, a little diary, vlog diary. How's that? I think I'll call it second cup visit diary, March 2025. Hey, and it's a big one for me this year. Some people think that 65 is a big deal. You know what? Any day that you get up on this side of the ground is definitely a good day. It's a big day. Mm. Okay, so today's going to be a pretty quiet day during the day. Going to get some knitting done. Going to get some more video of my stash. I started my stash video for you guys that are interested. When I did my last video, you guys all said that you were really interested in seeing my stash, so we'll go through that. And I'm bagging up my cast-ons for March, starting that up. And yeah, that'll be good. Get that going. I got a couple of things I want to cast on this month, and I'll be bringing that to you, of course, in my podcasts. I don't know how much podcasting I'll actually get done in the next 17 days, but I'll do my best. I see Charlene. Hey, Charlene. She's messaging me all of Teo's footprints because I'm making him those little shark socks. I made him one. I crocheted one for him, but I looked at it and it's horrible. It's so big. So I thought, well, you know what? I'll just ask her for some pictures of his feet on a piece of paper, and I'll get that all sorted away. I don't know. I don't like crocheting that much when I'm doing single crochets. So with heavy weight. So maybe I'll do. I pulled out that that uh, uh, oh, sorry, I got distracted. I guess that's what these vlogs are all about, right? You get distracted. Yeah, with people that are messaging you on your phone. Okay, I have to, what, today? We're heading for my daughter's, Laura's, for supper tonight. That'll be nice. We were invited for supper, roast beef, Yorkshire pudding, my granddaughter's favorite. And what else? Finish my second cup of coffee. That's always a good one. I don't want to put this down on the table. It's going to make a lot of noise because I don't have my mic on. So, yeah. Oh, I was going to tell you that I started a blanket. I started a blanket. I was really missing that garter marler sweater that I was making for my daughter Cheryl. I missed all the squishy garterness of it. So I started a blanket. I put on like 200 and ton of stitches here. Turning out pretty good. I got lots of these. I got quite a few of these little magic knot balls left from her sweater. So I thought, well, I'll just throw that into a blanket instead of making myself another garter marler or a sweater with all of those little leftovers. And it's all different colors. Wow, it's crazy. But I thought, oh, I'll do this as a continental. And I thought, well, I don't knit continental, and I can't watch TV when I do it. So I thought that'd be a good way to knit continental. And see, I just do it this way. I pick from my finger, but I hold my hand open like that. Anyways, I'm finding that this motion here, now my arm is bothering me when I get up in the morning. So I don't know how long I'm going to be able to knit continental. And I can't look up. I have to watch what I'm knitting. I haven't got that muscle memory yet. So yeah, I'm going to, I don't know how much continental knitting I'm going to get done doing it this way. I mean, I'm a little bit slower right now. I know that that'll pick up, but whatever. If I end up doing it that way or go back to throwing, because when I'm throwing, whoop, see, screwed up already. When I'm throwing, I can definitely see, look at you guys, but my knitting is much tighter. I also noticed I have a tighter gauge, a nicer even gauge when I'm knitting. See, I can just knit without looking. Anyways, I'm not going to knit on that because it's not a knitting podcast. It's a vlog diary. So yeah, it's going to be just until the 17th, until my birthday. That's the goal. And if I don't get that far, please don't hold it against me. And if I do miss a couple days here and there, oh well. But I only want to go up to, I'm aiming for the 17th on my birthday, which is a Monday. And after that, well, we'll see what happens after that. I may never do another daily vlog kind of diary again. That could be it. That could be all of it. So, yeah. And usually when I'm having my very first cup of coffee, Walter and I are sitting in our living room and we are watching Brownsville? Yeah, Brownsville Food Pantry. So in the summer, I'm at the trailer and I'm watching the deer walk around our gazebo. Well, in the wintertime, we watch Brownsville Pantry, which is some folks down in the US that actually have beautiful video cameras and they feed the deer in their yard, their big yard. They must have acreage somewhere. And yeah, so we watch that on television while we're sitting chatting about our day. And yeah, we basically set up our day, what's going to be happening, and it's pretty lazy around here. I mean, the big thing for today is the dinner, but is going out for dinner. But usually it's just what time you walk in Chewy, right? And what time's supper, and what's for supper, and what's for lunch, and what have you. No, I don't make them lunch. I make supper. Mostly, I make supper. You're on your own until then. So yeah, for supper, I have Yorkshire pudding. I told you, and already talked about all that stuff. So yeah, and what else? Oh, thanks for everybody who joined in on the February's FO thread for the Socks Along 2025. I don't want to get into much about all that kind of stuff here, but I am going tomorrow. That's part of the diary, I guess. Tomorrow I'm going over to Diane's out in outskirts of Winnipeg here, and we're going to do the video for the February FO thread. We'll draw the winners for the thread for the sock yarn prize, as well as the prize for the pattern prize. So yeah, and I'll get you all the details and stuff like that tomorrow. When we do that, we will I'll be talking to you probably tomorrow morning before I head over there. I'm not going to be able to go to Knit Club tomorrow because I really wanted to, but yeah, I'm not going to get over to Knit Club tomorrow because I'm going to Diane's, which is awesome. I haven't seen her in forever, and yeah, I know she's been busy doing her podcast too and all her stuff. She's getting back into her making. Yeah. So what else I've been working on? I'm working on some pillow covers for a client. I don't have a job basically, but I do for friends and family. I do a little bit of sewing if they need, and I call them customers. What a big deal, eh? Yeah, so I got some sewing I got to get done too this month because coming trailer time, I have to get some curtains redone. Laura gave me some big giant sheety curtains, and I'm going to make them, cut them up and use them for curtains for the trailer. Because I don't know if you saw in the trailer, they've got those blinds that go up and down on the big windows, and they're so hard. And I'm getting weaker as I get older. Shh, don't tell anybody it's my birthday, okay? Anyways, yeah, I'm getting older. It's getting harder to lift those blinds. So I'm finding that maybe I'm going to make some standard curtains and put some curtain rods up, and that's good enough. And yeah, it's not like we're there in the middle of winter, and it's not like people are incredibly nosy or anything. Yeah, right. Anyways, yeah. So that's my sewing. Oh, and I got a pair of shorts I got to hem. What else? I got a whole bunch of stuff. I've been going through a bunch of my notions and stuff because I was talking to you guys about doing some donating. So I'm going to take a bunch of stuff to Valley Village. No, actually to Salvation Army, because Value Village, I don't know, they charge too much for their stuff these days. So I think that's just a broad thing. That's just my opinion, okay? So don't hold me to that, or come at me for that. But yeah, I just like giving it to like Goodwill or to the Red Cross or to a church, what have you. Anyways, I got a bunch of stuff that I've got to donate. I got some fabric I want to sell, de-stash, and yeah. So, anyways, so tomorrow is maybe we'll do laundry today. Maybe it'll be a laundry day today instead of tomorrow because I'm going out tomorrow. So, anywhoozy, what's it? Just thought I would come and say hi to everybody, introduce myself on the Second Cup Diaries for March 2025. And yes, I have yellow today. And yeah, this is my M&M mug. It says completely nuts on the inside. Yeah, that's me, completely nuts. And yeah, I might have a different mug every day. Who knows? Who knows? I usually use yellow though. Yellow is usually my guy. What else? I'm just down here in my craft room until I get this uploaded and what have you, and then I will go and walk Chewy. Anyways, so you guys, he never comes down here if I'm chatting on the camera because I don't know. I guess I scare him because I'm not talking to any person, so he kind of looks at me like I'm weird. But yeah. Anyways, take care, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.